What is the best camera for beginners? We think it's a camera that is not too expensive to buy but still offers great image quality and the scope to try out more advanced techniques and shooting styles as you learn more about photography. If you're looking for the best beginner's camera, then this video will help you out in choosing the best one. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 amazing beginners cameras that you can consider to buy. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which beginners camera that you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries related to buy any smartphone or any gadget, you can ask me on Instagram. I have given the link in the description. You can message me there and I will reply you back. Fujifilm XT5. The Fujifilm XT5 is an evolution of the XT series rather than an revolution. It's a classically controlled SLR style camera that puts photography first for serious enthusiasts. The XT5 takes much loved Fujifilm XT4 further in terms of resolution, but is still ideal for shooters who want a lightweight camera with a traditional controls and an excellent 40.2 MP resolution, 10-bit video at 6.2K at 30p and a new 3-way tilting touchscreen. The terms of the way that it looks, feels and handles the XT5 is in a class of its own. Buy this amazing camera for its 10-bit 4:2:2 video at 6.2K at 30p, light and compact design and cheaper than Fujifilm X-H2. Nikon D3500. Nikon D3500 is basic, but we love its size, simplicity and charm, and also especially the price. If you are worried about DSLRs being complicated, don't be. The Nikon 3500 has a brilliant guide shooting mode that acts as a fully interactive guide to photography and camera settings delivered via rear LCD screen. The 3500's controls are straightforward and easy to get to grips with. Its price means it does strip back on some more advanced features. For example, there is no custom settings menu for tailoring camera functions to your preferences. As featured on every other series of Nikon DSLRs, the autofocus in live view and movie capture modes is somewhat sluggish, though the Nikon AFP, that is autofocus speed DX 13MP 55mm f3.5 VR lens, speeds it up and it's the best kit lens to go for. Overall, the Nikon D35's image quality and performance are extremely good for the price, and the 5 fps burst rate is pretty sporty for an entry-level DSLR. Buy this amazing device or a smart camera for its interactive guide shooting mode and solid performance with a good handling. Nikon Z50. Despite its small size, the Nikon Z50 has a good grip and good external controls, and the retracting 16-50mm kit lens is remarkable not just for its pancake lens dimension but for its overall performance. Key selling points include 4K videos, 11fps burst shooting, and the fact that its Z mount is identical to that of the larger cameras, so you can use dedicated Nikon DX lenses, full-frame Nikon Z lenses, and regular Nikon DSLR lenses via the FTZ adapter. Best of all, the Z50 is a terrific value, especially when bought as a twin lens kit. However, long after the launch, it still only has 3 native DX format lenses. But the 3 lenses are just amazing. Buy this amazing camera for its good value from the start: compact body and kit lens, and 4K video and 11fps shooting. Canon EOS Rebel SL3 or EOS 250D or EOS 200D Mark II. This isn't the cheapest DSLR you can buy by any means, but very often it's worth paying a little extra money to get much better range of features, and this is a perfect example. The EOS Rebel SL3 has Canon's top of the range APS-C sensor and 24.1 MP of resolution and brilliant live view shooting thanks to the fully articulating touchscreen display and Canon's fast dual pixel CMOS autofocus system. In fact, we would actually say this is a great DSLR that comes at a budget price where composing shots within the screen is downright preferable to using the viewfinder. Canon also packs a 4K video wrapped up in a smallest DSLR body that you are likely to see. Though it's a fantastic video you are after, and one of the best Canon's camera, that is SL3's mirrorless rivals, will probably do a better job. Olympus OM IV Mark IV with a new 20MP sensors, incrementally improved in-body image stabilization, and a new flip down and a tiltable monitor, the Olympus OM IV Mark IV has plenty to shout about. Retaining the 4K video and attractive styling that made the Mark III so attractive to consumers, the Mark IV is also a great choice for anyone looking for an entry-level camera that can do pretty much everything. This is one of our favorite pint-sized cameras ever. It's small enough to carry around anywhere and much more powerful than it looks. The OM IV Mark IV is a camera that could be with you for a long time. Buy this amazing camera for its latest 20MP sensor, and it comes with a 5-axis in-body stabilization.